Social media was flooded with pictures and videos this past week of folks getting new pets for Christmas. Puppies, kittens, birds, lizards, you name it, someone got it as a gift. Now comes the hard part, caring for those fur babies. No matter what time of year you bring a new pet into your home, it's a big responsibility, one that should never be taken lightly. So here with advice for all you newly christened pet owners is Rascal Animal Hospital head vet, Dr. Michelle Gonzalez. Welcome, Dr. G.
Thanks, Crystal.
I love who you brought today.
Yeah, they're so cute.
Our pets of the week are the most precious. Okay, what breed? What are their names?
So they're Basset mixes. They're both little girls. The one that you're holding is Jessie.
Okay.
And this one is Laika. And they're about 7 weeks old. So they're from Dash Animal Rescue, which is a foster-based rescue group out of Circleville.
Are they available for adoption?
They are very available for adoption. Now, they still do need to get fixed. They're just a week under the age for them to be able to be sterilized. So sometime after next week, they'll be able to be adopted. However, they're accepting applications for these guys and all the other dogs that they have in their rescue.
These puppies are so soft and so sweet. They're very docile right now. How are you seeing their personalities?
Well, right now, one of the things is that they're really young. So we don't know from the way that they're acting right now how they're going to be, moving forward. Mm-hmm. So definitely, people with puppies have to plan on puppies chewing on things and, all the things that they have to hide and all the things that come about with new puppies.
Well, I'm glad you brought that up. Let's talk about what new pet owners need to expect. Mm-hmm. Now that they need to take care of their animals, what are some important things to keep in mind?
So the very first thing is they need to take them to the vet. And usually you want to take them to the vet within 1 to 3 days after getting the puppy, even if they've already been examined by somebody else. You want to make sure that you have an established relationship with your own veterinarian, that they make sure that the food, the vaccines, the deworming, all of the different things that are so important for puppies, and not just for puppies, but for adult dogs as well, that all of those things are taken care of.
My puppy right now has the hiccups. I can feel him have the hiccups. Is that normal?
That is normal, and it is very common in puppies. And sometimes it will scare them, and they wake up from it. It's hilarious. Yeah.
Very good. Now let's talk about spay and neuter. Mm-hmm. How long do you wait? When do you get that done?
So definitely, it can be done safely as early as 8 weeks of age. Okay. Usually, we recommend having them have their set of vaccines before having it done, mostly because they're going to be in a hospital. Their immune system's going to be down. They're going to be around a lot of other animals. So we want to make sure that they're as best protected as possible against diseases like parvo, for instance. The best time is usually around that 4 months. Definitely want to get it done before 6 months, because by that time they reach their maturity level, they can start going into heat, they can start developing behavioral problems, and they can start having litters.
What about the importance of tagging? And I know you are a big advocate for microchipping.
Yes, absolutely. They both are important. Having that tag on is really important because any individual that finds it can immediately see the numbers, see the information, and call. But that microchip is so important. Like we mentioned before with that dog that was found after 5 years in Indiana. Right. It is so important because that's something that cannot be removed, and it doesn't expire. And you can update that information online. So getting that microchip can be done as early as young as these guys.
Is there anything new pet owners often overlook?
There's a lot of different things, and the biggest ones are going to be like flea prevention, heartworm prevention, because a lot of people think, well, I don't have to give my pet flea medication unless I see fleas. Mm-hmm. Well, by the time we see fleas, there's an infestation usually in the home. So those are the things that are important to evaluate with your veterinarian. Make sure that they're on a flea medication, and there's so many different types, from topicals to oral medications that fit different, beliefs and things that people want. So getting the right product for your pet.
Which one's mine's name?
That is Jessie.
Jessie is starting to get frisky over here.
Yes.
Yeah, he's getting playful. What about insurance? Do you advocate for that?
Absolutely, and there's a lot of different types of insurance. So again, asking the vet what the best one is. We primarily recommend the ASPCA insurance just because for the value of it, it tends to give the best protection. And you want to find a lot of the insurances that cover wellness care, you're not really getting good value from the wellness care stuff. It's more the emergency. Those are the things that you want to look into.
And we do want to say congratulations to our new pet owners. We have some great pictures here of you guys.
Yeah, we got a lot of pictures from from Dash Rescue, from Madison County Humane Society, Colony Cats, Love for Canines, a lot of different rescues, Rescue Me Ohio. I mean, all of these animals found happy forever homes this holidays.
Lucky, lucky animals, lucky dogs, and thank you to everyone who did the adopting. You made a huge difference in their life. Aww, look at that. All right, and then real quickly, what about these two?
So, Dash Animal Rescue, they have a Facebook page, and then dashanimалrescue.org is their website. People can fill applications and get information and see all the different dogs that they have for adoption.
Very good. All right, well, someone needs to let my husband know we're about to get a third baby coming home. I'm falling in love with Jessie. We're buds now. All right, Dr. G, thanks a million.
Thanks.